So you touch a little bit about our project managers and how their experience has really helped you, the company, your growth personally. Why don't you talk a little bit about our senior project managers for a minute and what separates them from other managers in the industry?
Our senior project managers at Pure Power all started as project engineers. They were all in the same position as an entry-level hire. Maybe it was called something different because we've evolved over the past 10 years, but they all started on the same baseline of a project engineer drafting projects. One thing that I hear a lot from younger engineers at Pure Power that's really unique is that managers are in the weeds with all the technical requirements. They're still in CAD. They've done what everybody is doing on a daily basis, so they know how to manage it well.
How does their experience and expertise affect each team?
Every senior project manager and project manager have different experiences based on their clients and the specific type of projects that they've worked on. People are subject matter experts for various topics, which lends to, again, great resource sharing, because if somebody has a new project that maybe their team hasn't specifically worked on, I'm sure there's another team at the company who's done it and can provide excellent examples and references.
We have electrical, structural, we also have the power engineering and the owner's engineering all under one roof. How does that benefit you as a project manager?
It's great because I can go walk over to the structural team and get their opinion on something. Everybody is always super accessible. It's really great for knowledge sharing. It's probably the thing we do best.
Tell me a little bit about client communication. What are the philosophies from Pure Power?
So we try to really value responsiveness, and even if we don't know the answer to something or don't have an immediate response, we will try to provide an update and just say, received, we'll get back to you later, or have a more junior engineer hop in and respond to an email. We are trying to empower our engineers to kind of feel capable to respond to clients and participate in meetings and phone calls.
You're managing these projects. Obviously, you need to stay consistent. So what's the best way to have that consistency across multiple DG projects at once?
Creating a template. And I mentioned that Pure Power has its own template that we kind of use to evolve with the changing industry. But additionally, for every large portfolio that we have, we try to templatize it as best as we can. What I mean by that is we have a more senior engineer kind of design the first site of the project to create a base level design. And then we'll have that design go through peer review, PM review, and then EOR review. And once we have all those comments picked up and the design is complete, we'll send it to the client. And then we'll receive comments back from the client, which we'll then address and have this set to use as a template for the remainder of the portfolio. This allows for an easy transition between projects, an easy transition between engineers. If we need to do some resource sharing or if somebody's on vacation or something, we can easily have somebody else hop in and feel confident in designing the project.